Fragmented framing, also known as partial framing, is a cinematic technique where the camera deliberately shows only a part of a subject or object, leaving the rest hidden or obscured from the viewer's sight. This technique can be used for a variety of purposes, such as 1. Creating suspense and mystery. By revealing only parts of a person, object, or environment, fragmented framing can create a sense of suspense and mystery. The viewer's imagination fills in the missing pieces, often leading to heightened anticipation and curiosity. 2. Emphasizing specific details. By focusing on a specific part of a subject, fragmented framing can draw attention to important details that might otherwise be overlooked. This can be used to highlight emotional expressions, symbolic objects, or clues to the narrative. 3. Disrupting conventional viewing. Fragmented framing can challenge the viewer's expectations and disrupt the traditional way of watching films. By withholding information and forcing the viewer to actively participate in the construction of meaning, this technique can create a more engaging and immersive experience. 4. Building tension and unease. The act of hiding or obscuring part of a subject can create a sense of tension and unease. The viewer is left wondering what is being hidden, and this uncertainty can lead to feelings of anxiety and anticipation. 5. Adding layers of meaning. Fragmented framing can be used to add layers of meaning and symbolism to a film. The hidden parts of the subject can represent subconscious desires, repressed memories, or the unknown aspects of life. The fragmented framing is a powerful cinematic technique that can be used to create a variety of effects and enhance the audience's experience of a film. It is a tool that can be used subtly or overtly, and its effectiveness often depends on the context in which it is used. Effects of fragmented framing. Heightened suspense. By withholding information, fragmented framing can build suspense and anticipation, prompting the viewer to fill in the gaps and imagine what's hidden from view. Psychological insight. Revealing only parts of a character or object can offer subtle clues about their emotions, intentions, or even hidden dangers. Symbolism and metaphor. Fragmented framing can be used symbolically to represent themes like fragmented memories, fractured relationships, or hidden aspects of the human psyche. Formal experimentation. This technique can be used to create visually striking compositions, drawing attention to specific details and manipulating the viewer's sense of space and perspective. Cinema truth is a documentary filmmaking style that emerged in the 1960s, primarily in France. It aimed to capture the unfiltered reality of people and events, emphasizing authenticity and spontaneity over traditional documentary techniques. Cinema truth filmmakers strive to become invisible observers, minimizing their intervention in the lives of their subjects. They often use handheld cameras and natural lighting to create a sense of immediacy and rawness. Unlike traditional documentaries with scripted narration and interviews, cinema truth films often rely on improvisation and real-time interactions. This allows for capturing genuine and unscripted moments that reveal the true essence of the subjects and their situations. Cinema truth acknowledges the inherent subjectivity of the filmmaking process. While aiming for authenticity, it doesn't claim complete objectivity. The filmmaker's presence and choices, including camera placement and editing, inevitably shape the portrayal of reality. Cinema truth filmmakers often focus on social issues and marginalized communities, shedding light on their struggles and experiences in a raw and authentic way. This adds a layer of social commentary and awareness to the films. Thanks for joining us on this cinematic journey. If you like this video, then please let us know by commenting down below. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and keep creating.